How to repair centipede grass with sand. Sanding a lawn is a landscape process known as top dressing. The purpose of top dressing a lawn is to remove large divots and level out uneven spots. This leveling process helps prevent water from pooling in a lawn. Centipede grass propagates quickly by spreading out from its original growth, hence its name. Because centipede grass is not a highly drought-tolerant grass, homeowners tend to water the grass frequently. This excessive watering can lead to water ponds in the lawn, resulting in the need to top dress it with sand. Things you'll need: rake, broom. Pour sand in any areas near divots or uneven portions of the lawn. Rake the sand into the uneven areas. Do not make the sand layer more than 1 inch deep. Sweep the lawn with a broom. This helps move sand off the level areas of the lawn. Excess sand can kill healthy centipede grass. Tips: warnings. Sand the lawn in stages. This allows the centipede grass to grow through each layer of grass without problems. Introducing sand to your lawn can increase the opportunities for new weeds or disease. Because of this possibility, top dressing is not a process that should be repeated frequently.